Hi, here is the Canon Autoboy N130 overall conditions, and here is the battery compartment. Oops. You need to push it up and open it using one CR2 battery. Then we just close it. Okay. Then by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this, and here's the film. But the film, we need to slide into this compartment to make sure that the motor have fit into the center part of the canister. So just slide into it and push the top in. Then after that, put the film tip to here. Okay, make sure that your film is flat like that. Then we just close it and it will auto load. And here show figure 1, which means that now we can start shooting by clicking the on button at here, then it will on. And here's the zoom in and zoom out. Here is the viewfinder, and when you look into the viewfinder, you'll find out at the center point there, got a bracket. So you just use that bracket to aim whatever you want to focus and half press the shutter. Okay, if it doesn't blink, it light up like this, which means that it's okay to shoot. Then you just click it. Yeah, then you move to the next row. Then if the environment is bright enough, then it won't have the flash. Green light stands for focus and the orange light stands for the flash. And if the green light keep blinking, which means that it doesn't ready yet. Yeah. Okay. After that, here have a button. Well, the button actually is designed for those people who wear specs. If you look into the viewfinder, you find out it's blur or something. Then you just adjust this until it look clear, which means that it's okay. Yeah. Then here's the flash function. This one is auto flash, force flash, off the flash, and this one is plus 1.5 compensation, which it will off the flash and will have a slower shutter speed. Yeah, you see. Now the green light is keep blinking, which means that it's can't focus. Wait. Actually, it's just now the blinking is different. This one is can't focus. Well, this one actually is a signal light, asking you to open the flash because its environment is too dark. But you still can fire the shutter. Yeah. Okay. Then this one is divided by 2. Same. Okay. Then rear eye reduction with night mode. This one is auto. Okay. Yeah. Like that. Can't focus. Okay, like that means okay. Then about this, the mode actually is the date lah. Yeah, you can adjust the date by yourself. By clicking here is adjust. Then this one is the set. Okay. You can change different format. Like this means that it's off. Just see whether you can adjust. Okay. When you click the mode, then you click the set, this one, a little bit longer until it blink, which means that now you can start adjusting the date. Now we try to see whether it got 2035 or not. Yes, it is. Then April. Okay, about the time. Maybe I slightly adjust to 2 p.m. 59. Okay, almost there. Okay, like that means that it's okay. Then you can change the mood by yourself lah. And it have the caption function. This one is like the congratulations, happy birthday, and I love you. Those caption will bring into the film, the outcome. Or if you don't want, you just click it like this. You can change the mode okay. Then now is showing the year, month, date, format. Well, you can change by yourself by clicking this button. This one is the month, date, and the year. This one is the date, month, year. Date and the time. This one is off. Okay, then we click again the mode to caption. So caption, click here. The J is stand for like Japanese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then English 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got like different kind of caption. Later on I will show you on the Instagram. Yep. Then after that we close it. And here is the timer. Click it. Then also same. Half press and press it. Then if the light up like this, start blinking, which means that the timer is start counting. It took around 10 seconds like that. Yeah, it's almost there. Okay, and actually the overall function is like this, and when you should finish, it will auto rewind, so no worry in using, and hope you enjoyed.